In this video, I'll guide you through how to monitor Bluehost uptime and quickly check whether an issue is just affecting your website or if it's part of a larger outage. This is especially helpful if your site suddenly goes down and you're not sure if the problem is on your end or on Bluehost's side. Let's start with the simplest and most reliable check you can do. If your site appears to be offline, open a web browser and go directly to the Bluehost status page by visiting bluehost.com/status. You can type that into the address bar at the top of your browser window, then press enter. When the page loads, you'll see a dashboard that provides real-time indicators for several key Bluehost services. This includes hosting, DNS, email, and the account manager. Think of this page as a live health report for the main parts of the Bluehost system. First, look at the hosting section. This is the one most people care about when their website is down because it reflects the status of the servers that actually run your site. If hosting is marked as operational, that means Bluehost's hosting environment is working normally, and the issue might be specific to your site, your settings, or even your local internet connection. If you see anything other than operational here, it's a strong sign that the problem may not be your fault. Next, check the DNS section. DNS is what translates your domain name into the actual server address where your site lives. If DNS is experiencing problems, your site might appear down even if the hosting server itself is working. Again, if this shows operational, DNS is not likely the cause of your issue. You'll also see a status indicator for email. This tells you whether Bluehost's email services are running smoothly. If you're having trouble sending or receiving messages through an email address hosted with Bluehost, this section will help you determine if it's due to a wider outage or something about your specific account or email client settings. The last main area is the account manager. This covers things like logging into your Bluehost dashboard and managing your services. If this is degraded or experiencing an outage, you may have issues even signing in to check your hosting settings. Each of these sections can be labeled with one of 4 statuses. If it says operational, everything in that category is running as expected. Degraded performance means the service is still working, but you or your visitors might notice slowness or occasional errors. Partial outage indicates that some users or some parts of the system are affected, but not everyone. Major outage is the most serious label, and it usually means a large number of users or critical systems are down. If you see degraded performance, partial outage, or major outage on any of these services, it's a good idea to wait a bit and refresh the page periodically. Bluehost will typically update the status page as they investigate and resolve the issue. While you wait, avoid making big changes to your own settings, since the problem may clear up once the outage is resolved. By using bluehost.com/status whenever your site has trouble, you can quickly understand whether you're dealing with a global Bluehost issue or something you need to fix on your end.